Hello friends, in this video we'll get to learn how to use Intraday Boxoffice Android mobile app. For this, the very first thing you need to do is go to Play Store in any Android mobile and just search over there Intraday Boxoffice. Once you search it, the list will pop, come out. You just go to Intraday Boxoffice, install it from here as in my mobile it's already installed, and after installation you can open it. Now let's proceed forward to the app. Once you open the app, it will just load within for a second. Since it is a web app, so you need to stay connected online through any mode. You can be using any Wi-Fi connection or your mobile internet for 3G, 4G, anything. Just you just need to be connected to the internet. Then in this we'll be feeding you with each day's tips, means either to buy or sell. In this case you can see green color signal indicates buy signal and red color indicates sell signal. In case of buy, you need to buy it whenever recommended, and when the target triggers, means at that time you need to sell it, either first, second or third target. And in the sell case, it's not in this, in the example that we are showing for the 8 Jan, there are no sell recommendations. So let's go back to some other day in which we can see our sell. See, on 3rd Jan we can see sell recommendation was also given. As you can see on just dial, sell signal was given. So in that case you need to sell it first at higher rate, and the target will be below the selling rate. That means when it comes down you need to buy it. Got it? Means anyone who is familiar with market can understand, means it's the short sell and long position case. So let's come back to our first case, at gen. As you can see, true level for eth gen. In this case we have recommended 3 stocks and all are for buy, means it will give us a uptrend as per our recommendation. Means let's take the case one by one. For the very first case, REL Infra, that is Reliance Infra. For this we are recommending you that when it hits above at the rate 582, means when 582 is being hitted by the price, then you need to buy it above 582. And target means first target is 587, second target is 592, and third target is 597. Means you can gain profit from the very first target itself, a profit of 5 rupees per share, or it can also go to 592, or if it goes to 597, it's our third target recommendation. But in case the trend goes down, means in case if it doesn't work, then you need to follow a stop loss as well. Stop loss means minimizes our loss potential. In this case we have given a stop loss of 578. That means if by chance you buy it at 582 and the stock starts falling due to n number of reasons, then whenever it triggers 578, means you will have to just bear a loss of 4 rupees. At that time it will get executed and you will come out of this. Means it stop loss is only used to minimize your loss, just being on a safer side. So we'll recommend you to follow this stop loss as well, since market can fluctuate at any time, means it's not in anyone's hand to control it. So let's try to be on a safer side and always follow the stop loss as well. Target is our recommendation, it will get hit, and but on a safer side you need to follow the stop loss as well. Same is the case with second and third. Third is Mindtree, you can buy it above 605, means the current market price would be around 602 or 603, and when it triggers 605 you need to just buy it from there, and when it triggers the target, that is 611, you can sell it with a profit of 6 rupees, or it will reach till 617, you will earn a profit of around 12 rupees. or the third target is of 623, and for this you will have to maintain a stop loss of 601. Okay, so once you get to do this, you can very easily, means for now you can just see on the labels that is being provided, you can watch it on the live market, and you will come to know, oh yeah, this is works. Then you get satisfaction. You can try it, means you can just see the labels condition from past as well. You can take your own decision based on the labels provided. You can do your own analysis. But this was our, means, predictions, and all our recommendation will be shown in the very top level for the each next day. Okay, so let's go and check its menu on our left side. As you can tap over here, a menu option will come. Whenever you see, for example, this, the first case, if you see, okay, we need to take it, we need to watch it tomorrow or the day after tomorrow as well, just for comparison as or something, you can tap on this star. It will be saved automatically. It will filter out and it will be saved for you. Go to menu, saved. In this you will see it, all the labels that you have saved, all the posts. Okay, it makes your analysis a bit easy. Blog list, you can go over there. This is our website. You can open it. You can export in on your browser as well, just to see the labels. Almost same thing. If when you tap on read full post, it will take you to our website, intradayboxoffice.com. So let's not go there for now. Random blog is any random blog. That's not that important. Main thing is settings. In setting, you will see notification, show notification on and off. For this, actually on the live market hours, we will send you notifications. When to buy, means many times it happens that due to some market news or any thing in the market sentiments, means sometimes stocks fluctuate on positive or negative direction. So for that, we need you to stay connected, means you need to know what's the market position, but we will provide you that thing. Once it show notification is on, whenever any fluctuations happens in the market, important fluctuation, not any random, then we'll send notification on this app. You will drag on the notification panel, you will come to see on the live market hours. We need to buy it immediately, or you can sell it immediately. Okay, and for example, you see you don't want to see those notification due to a number of reasons. For some days you can just turn it off, means it will not disturb your mobile, no notification will get displayed. And when you think it's free time, means yes, you can see the notifications, our notification, you can just tap it on and our notifications will start. Means for this, you are not required to uninstall the app. If you don't want to see the notification, just tap it off, and whenever you will get time and you are feeling okay, now I am ready for trade, you can turn it on. Got it? This is just for the goodwill of the customers and whoever have downloaded it. So it's a simple app. You can just check our labels over here. You can check the full labels by tapping on read full post, and it will take you to our website from where you can see the same thing almost, and you can just trade on this. So you can just analyze our labels for some time, and then you can carry out the next step. Thank you very much. Hope you all have understood how to use this app for the very first time. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.